Hello everyone, let's continue recording question number 5 of lab 4. The question number 4 is asking us to actually use VLOOKUP function and to do what? To look for a value which is in the column the B2 in the first column of the customer table, and then give you the corresponding value in the column whichever is mentioned here. And it should be an exact match. What is an exact match? This value should be an exact match in the first column value of the customer, the customer ID or something like that. So that's what we do now. It's a very straightforward question. So go here now. So do we need to create a customer data set? We look up exact match. Match the sales data set with customer data set from the customer data. It is sales data set with customer data from the customer data set. P2. Yeah, it's not really merging it. So just naming it as like that, my customer ID, and then retrieve the corresponding value of the customer name. Okay. So you're getting the customer name actually. So there is no customer name in the sales data, whereas the customer name is right here. The customer ID is here. So you want to get the customer name printed right here in the column. For example, I can get the customer name here. It's not really like merging it, but retrieving customer name. Enter. So right now I don't have any name, but I know customer ID here. I can get the customer ID, look at the customer ID in the customer table and get me the name equal to VLOOKUP, open bracket. So this value you want to look for customer ID. I want to look at. Where do you want to look at? Customer table, comma, customer table. Okay. So where? From the entire table here. I can even say from here to Control Shift down, entire table. Okay. Comma. And then, so which name you want to take? This is the column 1, this is column 2. You want to get the customer name. Column 2. If you write column 2, you get the customer name. You want to get the column 3, you get the customer payment method and shipping address you can get. This is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So if I say column 2 value, and it's asking exact match or true match. True match means in between values. So exact match means false. And enter, you got these all values, you got the names of the people here, all of them. Customer name. So I'll now do the same thing. I copy this entire thing and I put here, paste it, Control V. And then this time I will only just put instead of 2, I'll change it to 3. So the payment method, I can name this as a payment method. Okay. And I can make it a little bit bigger. I go down this side. I'll make it bigger also. Credit card. So now if I want to go back again and put one more, column number 4, I think you got the idea now. So paste it here again. This time I'm changing it to 4. And you got the address, I think. So address. So I got these values automatically populated. The right values are populated. You want to put them left justified, you can put the left justified. Looks better. This credit card probably is okay, but the first name I can put left justified. The name, not the first name, but customer name. I think this is done for the question number 4. So when do you use a true match, sir? True match is between like customer IDs, there is a gap between them, then you will be able to see. Because customer ID, you're looking at, normally you look for exact value. Like a student ID, you look for exact value. For example, I want you to give a grade. I will use true match. Let me show you an example of that. It's not part of the lab, but I'm going to show you. Okay. So, for example, I can say less than 55 is going to be, okay, a failing grade or something. This is the, okay, 0 failing grade. Okay, let's say 60 C grade. Okay, 70 D, C, D, B grade, 80 A grade. Okay, if I get like that, for example, it is anything over 80 is going to be A. Okay, so let me put the value here is going to be, I'm going to write down 80 equal to, we look for this value. Where do you look at? Here. What do you get? The second column value. What type of match? It's true match. Now you got A. So for put 85, it should be A still. If it is 75, it is B. If you put exact match, you will not get this. For 75, you will not get a grade because there is no exact match. Because a true match means in between values will be taken. So for example, if of a 63, it is C. So 45 failed. I hope you understood it. True match is very important match also to learn. And then other tables is called less than match. I stop it here.